Whatever I do, if I do business with people, they will collect my things and go. Even this year, I lost almost 11 million by it.
How can you beat your father and you expect things to go well? Where is the wife?
She's around. Mommy, please, can you come?
Mommy, get on you.
My name is Benjamin Iwaleze. I'm from Ehimemba, Imo State. During the open heaven on the day of 11th day of 100 days fasting, been on 15th of July, Daddy prophesied to me that there was a Benji, that beat up his father many years ago. Many years ago. He beat up his father. That he will come and see him, or less things will not go for me because he's following me. I confirm it.
There is somebody called Benji. Many years ago, you beat up your father. Many years ago, many years ago, you beat up your father. Since that time, you have forgotten this. Even your father might have been forgotten, but the cause is following you. The Lord is not telling me if your father is still alive or dead, but wherever you are, I would like to see you, Benji. Unless you will never succeed, because there is a pronouncement made by your father that day. Your name is Benji. I don't know whom you are, wherever you are. I would like to see you, and your story will change completely. So, where is that your father now? He's dead.
Yes, sir.
You are from which village?
Uma is the one in Ehimemba, no.
Uma is the one, or Uma is the two?
Uma is the one in Ehimemba, no, Imo State.
Uma is the two. How do you beat him up? You blow his eyes or his mouth, or?
Sir, the problem is that we are young. He went with 7 kids. He went and married another wife. We are living in a mud house, which his mother built. He built a 6-room apartment. It was not completed. He went and married a woman from Owerri. Then he built the 3 rooms to that lady, and he left me and my brothers and my mother restless. We don't have anything. It's only mother that is feeding us. So
is that enough reason to beat your father?
No, sir. He came with the wife where my mother's brother was buried. The day of burying him, he came all the way from Port Harcourt with the lady. I now tried to push the lady away from my mother's house because they don't take care of my mother. So when I was trying to beat the woman, he now put hand. So with anger, I beat them off. With anger, I beat them off.
You beat 2 of them.
I have traveled many countries, more than 11 countries in this world. From the age of 20 years up till now, I make nothing. Whatever I do, if I do business with people, they will collect my things and go. Even this year, I lost almost 11 million by it.
How can you beat your father and you expect things to go well? Where is the wife?
She's around. Mommy, please, can you come?
Mommy, get on you. Mommy, I said, Mommy, your mother that died, what will you now call her? Your mother is still alive. She's alive. So what will you call her if you are calling your wife Mommy?
I'm mommy because she understands me. If not, she would have left me. Serious.
Go and look for the name you'll be calling your wife. Your mom remains your mommy, and she's irreplaceable mommy. Go and look for the name you'll be calling your wife. Mommy is for your mother, not for your wife. Did she give birth to you? Did she carry you 9 months in her womb? Do you suck her breast? And give up, mommy.
Good afternoon, sir.
Is he your husband?
Yes, sir.
Have she informed you? Did he inform you that he beat up his father?
Yes, sir.
That is why when people are missing open heaven, I don't know what is actually wrong with them. The grace of open heaven is the highest in Zion minister. Okay, we're going to look into 2 of you so that it's very, very unfortunate. Is that the ones you beat your father? Be honest. I don't think it's the ones you beat him. How many times did you beat your father?
The first day was The first day was the day he brought the woman inside the house.
Are you the one that will bring woman inside the house? Are you the owner of the house? If your father wants to bring woman, is it your business?
He must take care of us first.
He must take care of you.
Yes, sir.
Is that the reason why you will beat him? So how many times did you beat him?
Second time.
2 times. Then he cursed you and he has died. You don't know that among the 10 commandments, only one have blessing. Obey your father and mother that your days may be long. The Bible says that any hand that lifted up against his father is cursed or mother. No matter how drunk you are, don't near your parents. I will look into your case and the mercy will speak for you. And you will prosper. It's always difficult. But it will be okay. They will give you an appointment to see me one-on-one. And you will prosper. You will prosper. Oh? God bless you. And we lift your hand up and pray that the mercy of God will come upon you today.
Amen.
You and your ma. Mercy of God. Lift up your hands and say, mercy of God upon you.
Mercy of God upon you.
May the parental cause, through the death and resurrection of Jesus, through his death on the cross, may you be free from that pronouncement.
Amen.
Jesus' holy name.
Amen.
There is one or two things I will tell him to do, but I'll tell him one-on-one. But he's going to be okay. God bless you. Jam your hand.